Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 68. Kutta. Kutta. Again, our word for today is kotta. This is a verb which means to walk. Again, kotta means to walk. How do you write kotta in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable, kot, we need to draw first a giok character followed by an all character followed by a dikit character. And then for the second syllable, da, we need to draw a dikit character followed by an a character. And then we just need to combine these two syllables. Now let's try looking at this example phrase. It says, 천천히 걷다. Again, 천천히 걷다. This example phrase could be subdivided into two. 천천히 means slowly, and 걷다 is our word for today, and it means to walk. So if we combine this, it would result to a phrase that means to walk slowly. Again, 천천히 걷다 means to walk slowly. And kotta is our word for today, and it means to walk. So with that, you've just learned kotta. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 58 to 67. But don't forget our word for today, word number 68, kotta. This is a verb which means to walk. The first word for our review is 알았어. This is an informal way of saying understood or I understand. Next word for our review is 알다. This is a verb which means to know or understand. Next word for our review is 괜찮습니다. This is a formal way of saying it's okay. The next word for our review is 괜찮아. This is an informal way of saying it's okay. The next word for our review is 웃다. This is another verb which means to smile or laugh. Next word is 마시다. This is another verb which means to drink. Next word is 먹다. This is another verb which means to eat. Next word is 갑시다. This is a formal way of saying let's go. Next word is 가자. This is an informal way of saying let's go. And the last word for our review is 울다. This is another verb which means to cry. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.